Hi guys, welcome to It's Funny channel. In this class I am going to teach how to make a input box using VB.NET and C#. Okay, I am already opened the project at VB.NET. Now I am going to the toolbox and and double click on the button control. It automatically come on the form. Now what I am going to do is first I am going to change the name as OK. Press enter key. Now this will be the button. Okay. Now double click on the button and here I am going to write the coding. First I am going to create the variable name as string. Name belongs to string data type. We already learned how to create the variable and all the stuff. Now name equal input box. This is the keyword, predefined keyword available in VB.NET. Within the double quotation, here we have to enter the name. That's it. Now here message box, here pass the same name here, name variable here. Okay. First run the application. After that I am going to explain. Okay, if you run this one, you can get this button. If you click on this button, what happen will see. If you click on the button, you can see nice dialog blocks like this. Here it is focused on the mouse cursor here. Enter the name. Okay, if you enter the name like this, click OK button. Here Gobinath. This will be the message is pop up. Okay, this is the meaning of input box. Okay, let's see how to do this one. First name, I am creating the variable name. I equal into the input box. Okay, when you type the name, when you type the name on this text box, it is passed into the variable name. Okay, after that when you click OK, the message when you click OK, the message box, the name I am given to here in this message box dialog box. Okay, when you user click OK, it is display this name, whatever the message you pass here, the same message passed into this variable, and the same variable I calling here, the message box calling here, so that the name will be displayed Gobinath. Okay, let's see another example of input box. First I am going to dim. This time I am going to create two integer variables, number 1 and number 2, and tot as integer. Right, now here first number 1 equal input box. Within the bracket you have to enter the questions. What is the enter the number, enter number 1. After that again I am creating another variable, number 2 equal to the input box. Within the bracket I am going to type enter the number 2. Okay, after that I am going to create, I am getting the another variable which is tot. I am already created here. I am getting here tot number 1 plus number 2. Okay, finally message box, I throw the output into this message box. Okay, let's start. Click start button, click OK. Here the message will be pop up the input box will be displayed like this. Here first you enter the number 1. The number 1, this 34 is store the variable which name is number 1. Click OK. After that 45, this value is passed into the variable which name is number 2, and both are I am going to add here number 1 and number 2. It's an both are added and passed into the variable dot. After that I am put here message box also I am put here. Click OK. Here the output will be displayed on the message box 79. Both are added and display the message box like this. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy my tutorials. Okay, let's see how to do the same project at C#. Go to the toolbox and again insert the button control on the form and change the name. After that double click on this button. Here write the coding. Before writing the coding, in C# there is no predefined keyword for the input box, so we have to create manually. So first how to create the one is, first go to the project, add Windows form. Here click on this one, Windows form, and click add. Okay, now you can see there are two forms on the Solution Explorer. Here it's contain two forms. First one is a form 1, second one is a form 2. Okay, now first click on the first form. This is the first form. Okay, let's go to the form 2 again. This is second form. You have to make as a this form you have to make as a input box. So first I need one text box to make a input box. So first go to the label and here this is a label. Okay, here you have to enter the name. Sorry, enter the name. That's it. Okay, you have to enter the name. After that, now go to the toolbox again and get the tool which is a toolbox text box tool. Double click and get it to your form. You have to little bit bigger, make it as a bigger, like this. Now we need two buttons. One is a OK, another one is a cancel. So click on this one, get the two buttons. That's it. Here click OK. That's it. Now first what I am going to do is here double click on this OK button. When the people click on this one and call into the second form. Second form, what is the name of the second form is form 2. So first form 2, create the object as f2 equal new form 2. After that f dot show. F dot show means I am going to show the second form. Okay, let's run and see. When the user click on the start button, this is the first form. If you click OK, here the second form will be shown. So what is the name of the second form? F2. F2 I am going to make that object. I already made the object F2 new form 2. Here I am creating one object which is a F2. How to create the object is using this new keyword. Okay, keep in your mind, when you creating the object you must use this new keyword. Okay, when you calling to the another form you must creating the object. Okay, if you not creating the object and call the second form, it won't work. Okay, you must create the object using new with new keyword. Okay, let me see our upcoming tutorials how to call the second form. Okay, now f2.show. f2.show means I'm going to pass the property show because this is the second form I'm going to show. Okay, let's, this is not, I'm going to click on this second form, click on this form. Here we start position is default location. Okay, you change as center screen, then click OK, click here, it's like this. Now you can enter the name, but nothing will be displayed. So when the user click on this button, what happened? String, create a variable as string. Here name equal this text box. What is the name of this box? Text box txt1. So you change as txt name or something else. Here go to the box. Okay, other if you can make as txt name. If you leave it as a default, it will be okay. Okay, it's nothing. Okay, here text box, sorry, txt name dot text. Now I'm going to display the message box dot show. Here within the bracket you have to call the variable name. That's it. Okay, let's run and see what happened. Click on this one. Here this is the input box. If you type something name here, let's type the name as Gobinath. Click OK. Here Gobinath will be displayed like this. Okay, the name will be displayed like this. Okay, the same thing which I did at VB.NET, I did at C# also, but the difference between these tools, there is no input box in C#. You have to create the manual one. Okay, yourself. You have to create two forms and you have to call each other. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy my tutorial. Okay, if you have any doubts, please ask me. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.